Hi, this is Jane. We're in London and here in front of us you can see there's the Eros statue. David's looking on his map to try and find out where Chapel's music shop is. We're not far away, and we'll see over to the... And there's Regent Street, that's where Regent Street starts. And so we're going to head our way down Regent Street and find the music shop. Back to you later, Jane. So we're walking down Regent Street. There are lots of red buses here in London, and making our way towards Oxford Street, hopefully. But
yeah, it's just at the top of this top of Regent Street.
At the top of Regent Street, okay. It's a little bit drizzly today, but not to worry. Here in London we've had some very, very gloriously sunshiny days, and so it's entitled to rain just once. Look at this lovely shop window. Look, lots of willow pattern plates and all the things that you can break in your house. We don't want anything like that. Give us solid. Okay, this is where you buy your nice Barbour jackets. See, you're the hunting, shooting, fishing type. Okay, so talk to you later. Bye. Of course, we couldn't get past the goodie shop here. Cafe Concerto, and so we went inside for a coffee. It was very nice. And now we're out of there and heading in the direction of Oxford Street, up Regent Street here. Lovely street, isn't it? Pity about the rain, never mind. Okay, now we're getting into serious shopping here. Here's Hamley's Toy Shop. Just wait till Christmas and all those lights are out and the shop windows are done up for Christmas, and it won't look the same as this on a rainy Thursday afternoon. Oh dear, the rain came down in London. Never mind, we're having a jolly time. Yay, Oxford Street. Okay, across the road there we've got Selfridges. Top Man, Miss Selfridge I should say, not Selfridges, not somewhere else. But this is the sights and sounds of London as we go along Oxford Street. Destination Chapel Music Shop. Chapel's Music Shop on Waldo Street. Okay, which we're going to keep a good look out for. And there we go, Chapels. We're now in Wardour Street. This is a bit better, isn't it? The rain has stopped. We've been to have a coffee. We're feeling good. We've had a look round Marks and Spencer's on Oxford Street, and we're now at Chapel's Music Shop. So, in we go. There. Into the store we go. Let's see, more pianos upstairs. Let's see where all the music is. Printed music downstairs. That's where we're heading, folks. See if we can find some music today. Ooh, it's all exciting. Look at all these Yamahas. So, £100 odd lighter. We've got some music for the organ, and we've got some music for the cello, and some new cello strings. So, now we're heading towards Charing Cross again, I think. Is that right, David?
Yes, that we
seems about lunchtime.
Straight down Waddle Street then, isn't it?
Say straight down Wardle Street, or wherever we are, Wardour Street. Wardour Street. And yeah, Wardour Street. Down to Leicester Square. Now it's beer o'clock. Wonderful. Where are we, David? I don't know. We're in some little pub just off Leicester Square. A nice bijou place. Okay. And we're enjoying. What are we enjoying, David?
Enjoying here. Enjoying
Smile.
life.
Smile.
Enjoying everything.
Smile.
We're just working up to going to Champagne Charlie's a bit later on. Okay.
You're not smiling.
You're not smiling.
It's better.
It's better.
Okay, here's a red bus again. And across from the Garrick Theatre. We're now heading towards the National Gallery. And hopefully we've got time to take in a little art before we collect our bottle of champagne, which I won last week at Charlie's Wine Bar.
Didn't we win it?
No, I won it. But you're going to help me drink it, aren't you? Excellent.
Did we bring a
Who's
top
the
in case we
statue?
can't drink it all?
Henry Irving. No, we didn't. Right. There's a statue of Henry Irving, actor. Born 1858, died 1905. Sir Henry Irving. So now we're in Trafalgar Square and these wonderful buildings here. Look across, there's Nelson's monument. All the way around, and this is the National Portrait Gallery. We've just come out of the National Portrait Gallery. And hi, this is Jane. I'm in London today with David. We've come into London mainly to collect our prize of a bottle of champagne. But we came in early so that we could be tourists for the day, and I'm now in Trafalgar Square. We've had a lovely day. We've been at Regent Street, Oxford Street. We've been to Chapel's Music Shop. We've done lots of sightseeing. We've called at a corner pub and had a pint and a little snack. And now we're ready for more action. And all this because we can take time out and work on our own level, our own time. We were working late last night, as usual, but today we've taken the day off. And this is all because we've decided to take that lifestyle that we want to lead and become network marketers instead of working for a boss. Anyone can do it, you could do it. We've had a lovely, pleasurable day today, and well, I hope you enjoy sharing the sights and sounds of London. Bye for now, Jane.